How to create account on Streamlabs. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that you need to open Chrome. Here you need to search for Streamlabs. After that you need to click on that first website. Now here you will see login sign up. So simply click on sign up on top right corner. Now here it will say set on email, set on password. So here you will write your email.
After that, check terms and condition, and once you checked it you can accept it. And after that click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, after that new window will open and it will say we send it code to your Gmail to verify your email. Like it will send to Gmail or any email that you make account on it. So you need to simply open that app, email or Gmail, and where you will see your 8 digit codes that they send it to you. You need to copy it and paste it here. Once you paste it here, you will simply click on verify email, and once you click on verify email it will says email verified, and that's mean your account was created. Thanks for watching.